Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my 10 favorite makeup products. My first favorite is a BB cream. It's the Maybelline Dream Pure 81 BB cream. It covers a lot, but it doesn't look fake or anything. My next favorite is an eyeliner. It's the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. And this one I love a lot because it's really thin and easy to use. It's really long lasting. That's nice. My next favorite is a cheek product. It's the Lolly Tint by Benefit. I really love it and it's a really cute color. It's pink. It stays on all day, and I also love the other tints from Benefit, but this one is my favorite. My next favorite is a concealer. It's the Catrice Cosmetics concealer. And it's like this. Yeah. It's a really good one. And I just love it. My next favorite is a lip product. It's the Baby Lips. I have I think 11 or 12 of them, but so far this one is my favorite. It's the Cherry Me and it has a really cute color. It's like just like cherries. It's really bright. It's one of the most pigmented of them, I think, but it's not that pigmented. My next favorite is a mascara. It's the They Are Real mascara by Benefit. It's kind of expensive, but it's really worth the money. I love the brush because it's really easy to use and it has some small weird things, but it's a really good one. My next one is an eyeshadow palette. It's in the Buff palette by We7. I think it's only sold where I live, but I don't know. It's a copy of the Naked 2 palette. The colors are really pigmented and I think it's a really good one. It's just like the Naked 2 palette, but it's just like 6 times cheaper, maybe more. My next favorite is eyebrow products. It's the Make Me Brow by Essence, and it's just like the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I think it looks really natural and can like build the color up so it gets darker, and so this is what it looks. It's kind of like a mascara but just brown. My next favorite is a powder. It's this one by Manhattan. I love Manhattan powders, and that's the best powder brand I have tried yet. It's really pigmented. My last favorite is a cream eyeshadow. It's the Color Tattoo by Maybelline. This one is in the color 35 on and on bronze, and it looks like this. This one stays on a really long time and it's a really pretty color. It's kind of like a mix between gold and brown. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye!